from Build Your Dream Home Today. 5 powerful reasons to start house construction in your vacant lot in Kawayan City. Top reason number 2. Affordable and flexible payment terms that makes home construction easier. Building your dream home no longer requires overwhelming cash out or impossible financing. We make house construction more achievable, practical, and stress-free for aspiring homeowners in Kawayan City. We proudly offer an easy and flexible financing structure designed to help you start immediately. Minimum 20% down payment to start house construction. Next 20% is spread over throughout the construction period. Remaining 60% through Pag-ibig financing. This means you don't need to release the full amount upfront just to begin your dream home project. More importantly, our company will manage and facilitate your house construction. We will assist and process your Pag-ibig loan application. We guide you from planning, documentation, construction, up to turnover. This gives you peace of mind while saving your time, effort, and unnecessary stress. Your dream home should not remain a dream because of complicated financing. With our flexible terms and complete assistance, home ownership become easier, faster, and more achievable. For more details, call or text us now.